Want to learn how to enable or disable dark mode in Excel? Then this video is for you. If you use Office 365, you should know that already has a feature to put applications in dark mode, which in addition to being visually different, also helps to avoid eye strain, among other advantages. So with the spreadsheet open, go to the File tab, Options. Here in Excel Options, go to the General tab, and here in Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, in Office theme, select Black and click OK. So notice that now all areas are black. And if you want to enable or disable dark mode in the cells area as well, just go to the View tab and click on the Suite Modes option. And that's it, now we have the dark mode applied to the cells as well. Remember that this option will only be displayed when you change the Office theme to black in Excel Options window, okay? To undo this mode, simply access File tab, Options again, and here in General tab, select the Using System Settings option or the option you want. I hope I helped, and if you like this content, I'm sure you also liked this other video that I left there in the cards. See you next time!